Ladies and gentlemen, DJ B, your favorite repair DJ. We got two more of these today. We're gonna run a test just to see what's cracking. The owner told me there's no lights, so also it's a little dull in there, as you can see. It's very probably dirty, humidity, all that forms in there. So we're gonna be cleaning the lens after we're done with the repair. And I'm glad I bought a whole bunch of these because I'm gonna be able to repair these lights if the issue are light related. So we got 4 more to go, but let's see what this thing does real quick. We're gonna switch it to sound mode and see what's cracking. No light at all. As we know, usually no light means light bulb, but it could also mean something else, right? So we're gonna test this second one real quick and see if it's the same issue. But this one, it's ready to be taken apart. And we're gonna see what's up with this one. Screen looks a little weird right here, but that's normal. Yep. All right, let's see what this one says. But same thing, look at that. Very dull, dirty. We're gonna be cleaning that as well. So let's go through the menu. DMX, set, change to sound. Oh, this one's got light. But as you can see, it stops. We should continuously get light. Yeah. So we're not getting light all the time. We're gonna start with checking the cable, but also we'll be testing that light bulb. But it could be a cable related, similar to our previous repair. But yeah, we're gonna take them both apart now that we kind of did a little diag. So I've taken this apart. Let me stop talking. But as you can see, the light doesn't work all the time. But when I wiggle the wire, so this shows you that this specific problem is wire related, right? So we're gonna go ahead and touch this wire. See that? So every time I touch the wire, it works. So that means we gotta take all that wiring and create a brand new wiring for it. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. So it appears there's a big design flaw with the wiring that they use, because that wire, this is the second time that I'm seeing that wire go bad. I think this the same issue too. So we're gonna recreate that wire right now and put it back. Okay, so to get to it, you just gotta remove this cover, that cover, so you could get the fan out, and then you could just unplug this wire. And now we're gonna cut all of the wire ties all the way to the light. That's it. Take it out, replace it. Okay, I pulled it out, and now it's just identify where. Yep, right here. Look at that. So yeah, this wire sucks. We're gonna cut it up just to see. But yeah, this wire always goes bad. So I've cut it up. Same thing. You can see. Let me put it under the light. It's like a rust. There's some type of rust. Like you see right there, it rusts. It gets all rusted, and then it just breaks. And it's happening with red wire. Not seeing it with a black one. But I'm gonna inspect everything on this wire just to make sure. But yeah, this red wire really sucks. For this, I just soldered this wire really nice and covered it up. This should do it. The rest of the wire seems to be really good. I tested everything. Seems to be just that one area. So we're gonna put it back together. Wires put back on, and now we're gonna do the nice and tying. We're gonna put the wire tie in a way that it doesn't get damaged. But yeah, the way this area movements, but even so, if you see where I have this little tape, that area doesn't really move, right? So by default, I feel that cable's garbage. From the manufacturer, the way it was rusting, have no reason to create rust in that area, right? So, but we'll keep an eye on this device as we continue to use it. Completed a wire tie. Everything looks clean and beautiful and ready for testing. So let's go ahead and do that test. And then after the test, we'll see if our unit is all set. And if it's all set, we'll put it back together and work on the next one, which I think is the exact same problem. But we're also going to give the client warranty on that cable. If it's the same problem again with that cable, we'll fully replace it. I don't really have that cable in stock. I'm not even sure if it's worth getting it from the manufacturer. Okay, there it goes. Light looks good. Look at that. Always on. That's how you want it to be. Always on. Anytime it's on and off, that means you got a cable problem. So there it goes. There it goes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Yes, yes. Okay, we are all set with this repair. We're going to move on to the next one. But like I said, it's the same issue probably. And if it's not, I'll put it on video. But this concludes our video. I'm going to go ahead and seal everything back up and call it a day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.